Hey, I'm Dana.
And I'm Stephanie.
And this is the ArborEdge tabletop
From FurnitureLab.
Come check it out.
This tabletop comes in 18 standard stains, or we could match a custom stain.
There are also hundreds of laminate choices, including custom laminates.
I love this maple light tone, but you can have 18 different types of stains to choose from to coordinate. These can match, they can contrast. It's perfect.
There are 7 standard and designer edge profiles.
Strong enough for high traffic settings, the solid wood accent adds both substance and design dimension. You know where this would be perfect? In a university dining hall, in a lounge space.
This would definitely become like our table.
Yeah.
Like, hey, you want to meet at the table? Yeah, the ArborEdge table. The awesome combination with this table is the beautiful laminate top with the nice wooden edge. Beautiful combination.
Just like macaroni,
And cheese.
peanut butter,
And jelly.
chocolate, and
Banana bread.
yeah!
10-year warranty.
Made in the USA.
FurnitureLab.
Crafted to connect.